When someone is in a pedestrian accident, people frequently call our office hurting, in pain, and afraid for what their future holds. The first thing we try to do is lower their stress level, and we do that by listening to them, listening to their story, what happened, and giving them a rock-solid plan on how we are going to, one, represent them, and two, make sure that they're taken care of. If you're looking for a personal injury attorney, this is what you should be looking for. One, experience, an attorney that has handled cases like this before. Two, success, an attorney that has won cases like this before. And three, you want to make sure that you have a trial lawyer. Why do you want a trial lawyer? Because the insurance companies will always work out a case more favorable for the injured person when they're dealing with somebody who's not afraid to go try a case and who has tried a case. If you're injured as a pedestrian, you're already in a tough, stressful situation. Don't make it worse for yourself by making these common mistakes. Number one, not seeking medical treatment. Right after your accident, make sure you go to the emergency room. Go to the doctor. Follow that doctor's advice. If that doctor tells you that you need to follow up with another doctor or specialist afterwards, make sure you do that. Make sure there's no gap in your treatment. Number two, not contacting very early on an experienced attorney that handles these pedestrian accident cases. It's crucial to do this from day one because once we're involved early on, we can preserve evidence and we can start talking to witnesses. Sometimes evidence disappears. Sometimes witnesses after the day of the accident or shortly thereafter are really hard or impossible to get a hold of. So it's crucial that we're brought on early on these cases. Number three, do not give a recorded statement to an insurance company or a company representative without an attorney. Insurance companies are not your friends. They are in the business of collecting premiums and paying out as little as possible, or zero if they could get away with that. And number four, picking the wrong attorney. You need somebody who has experience in handling pedestrian automobile accidents. I'm a former insurance company attorney. I represented some of the large insurance companies. We've all heard about them. We've all seen their commercials on TV. And we knew who the lawyers were that regularly handled pedestrian accidents the right way, and the lawyers who kind of sometimes handled them or rarely handled them. And the lawyers who handled them the right way, like my office, got paid more money exponentially than the other guys, day in and day out. And what does that mean? That means more money in your pocket. We understand that people may be hesitant to contact an attorney because they have all this stuff going on after an accident and they can't stomach the idea of potentially having another bill. The great thing is, on injury cases, you don't pay us anything until the end of the case. You're not going to pay to come meet with us. You're not going to pay to sign an attorney-client agreement with us. Instead, we get paid only if you win. If you have any questions about your pedestrian auto accident claim, please give our office a call. We would love to help you in any way we can.